In this session, we're going to consider hierarchical schematics, those that use part of the design numerous times. Here we see a simple design using one schematic sheet twice, each referencing the schematic sheet and their own designations of H1 and H2. So let's have a look at the items used. Firstly, the sheet entry symbol. This is graphically flavorable and defines the entry symbol name and type. These sit on a sheet symbol, which is providing a unique room designator and references the associated schematic sheet. Looking at the reference sheet, we see corresponding ports to the sheet entry symbols on the sheet symbol previously seen. A name corresponding to the sheet entry name is defined along with its type. On the sheet we see there are two components, U1 and U10. We also see that there is a room for each sheet symbol previously seen, so when selecting we see the physical naming of the components plus the room name. Let's add another room H3 using simple cut and paste. Adjusting its properties and wiring it in. After recompiling the design, we now have 3 rooms for the sheet 1 schematic. So let's now look at creating a new hierarchical structure. First, creating a new sheet symbol. Then adding some sheet entry symbols to it, changing one to net CLK for clock. Then we will give the sheet symbol a designation, but note that we have no schematic to reference to at present. We can auto create a new schematic sheet from the sheet symbol, saving it with a suitable name. On the new sheet, we also see it has automatically added the ports matching the sheet entry symbols on the sheet symbol, ready for placement. We can now add the reference sheet to the sheet symbol. On creating a second room instance and recompiling the design, we see that the IF sheet now has 2 corresponding rooms. Looking this time at component U10 in the room H1, we see its physical designator is set to U10_H1, and there are options to influence this. Finally, it is important to note that the net identifier scope in project options must be set at the outset of a new project, so set to hierarchical if required.